This is Chapter 9, Section 4, Problem 16. Suppose you have a student loan of $55,000 with the APR 7% for 36 years. Complete parts A through C below. What are your required monthly payments? So in this case here, you see that formula they have here for your student loan. Okay, and your P is given to us. There. So P is 55,000 and the APR is 7%. Monthly payments, and it's 12. The number of years is 36 years. Y is 36. Okay, so the formula we have in here, you have the APR over N, so I divide that out and it gave me that number. I also have a negative N times Y, multiply that out and it gave me that number there, negative 40 or 32. Then we plug all of that into our formula. And that's what we have here. And we simplify a numerator, get one value, simplify a denominator, add these two together inside parentheses, and I raise it to the negative 432 power, and I have 1 minus all that. And it gives me that number here. And I divide them out, and my payment is $349.13. Okay, that's what they have there. So you're gonna pay it. Suppose you're gonna pay it off 18 years instead of 36. So that means the Y is going to change to 18. Okay, so there's our formula. P is 55,000. APR is at 7%. Monthly payments, so N is 12 and Y is 18. Okay. So we have the APR divided by N, this gives me that number, and negative N times Y gives me negative 216. Then I plug all those values into my formula, and I simplify my numerator. There. I ended up with $320.83. And I simplify my denominator and end up with that value there. And I divide them out. End up with $448.52 here. So that's the payment for the second plan. And then you want to talk about compare. Total repaid. Option 1 and option 2. So you have here the payment times 12 to the number of years, 36 years. So you have, what's that, 150,000. Okay. $824. For option 2, total repaid is going to be $96,888. So you see you're paying more money with option 1 here. And that's all they ask you to do.